we using in here? HSB? Oh, I can't remember.
What you got, Dom?
I'm alright, thanks mate. We are out on a beautiful day, late March, and the first day really out of our second lockdown in the UK. Couldn't have had a better day. We've all been going, and Jason, we've been going a little bit bonkers, haven't we? Being indoors.
Too much simming.
Well, it does kind of fill the gap to a certain extent. And I have kind of built up a bit of a community with Microsoft Flight Simulator. We're having a lot of fun doing that on Wednesdays and Saturdays, live streaming.
So what's this?
This is the Freewing Gripen, which really we just got flying. When was it? It was a few months ago now. I've lost track of time. But awesome plane, awesome plane. Although we've had to run it on 6S 4000 packs, because otherwise you just don't get the CG back far enough. I did genuinely think, and did have a few flights on 5000, but even on this long strip, it did take the full strip to get off. And I am still actually having problems on 4000 packs sometimes. What I kind of hope is that I do hit a bit of a bump, and it gets the nose off, and then it gets into the air.
It's the small wheels on the front, isn't it? They're quite draggy.
They are.
With two of them.
And you see that, it doesn't look as though it's building up enough speed, but then it just pops up into the air. And when you're in the air, it's like a bullet. Really nice axial rolls, and slow flight, high alpha is pretty good as well, although kind of high risk doing that. It's nice to have a bit of wind to do that. But enough talk, let's get it in the air, because that's why we're out today. That it hit.
Yeah. I think you were just making excuses earlier. That was good.
I have to say that is a bit good. That is a bit good. Zero, very, very. I didn't expect it to do that in so little wind, but the degree of control you get with a Delta in high alpha, absolutely fantastic. Really enjoy flying this plane, and it doesn't have thrust vectoring. That is all literally on the canards and the elevons. Fantastic, real keeper. Freewing Gripen. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Thanks, Jason.
No probs.
That's good. Love that.